Well, we're going to cook chicken bamboo shoot. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And here you go, the recipe you need for cooking a chicken bamboo shoot. You can see everything that this need in cooking bamboo shoot. First of all, you need is chili, dry chili you need, and tomato you need, 5 piece tomato, and chicken you need, and you need garlic paste. Mainly tomatoes you need to take is only 3 for cooking 250 gram of meat, and you need a bamboo shoot for cooking that, and also you need around 20 dry chilies for cooking that. So here is the whole thing you need for cooking a nice chicken bamboo shoot. First of all, you have to do is you need to boil the water in a saucepan or big pan, and just put the dry chili in it, 20 pieces of dry chili in it, and make it boil around 15 or 20 minutes. Then after that you put tomato in it, 3 pieces of tomato in it, and let it boil for few minutes, around 5 or 6 minutes. You can see the boil of tomato and red chili. Now mix the tomato and red chili well and nicely. Put a salt required for cooking chicken bamboo shoot. You need to give a little more salt, and just take half of garlic and just put in it. Another half you're gonna put is at last, because it makes the taste more good if you put half at last. Now put the chicken and just boil it for few minutes and more. Just boil it. The main thing of Naga dish is you have to boil a lot. Now put bamboo shoot in it. The thing is, chicken bamboo shoot requires around 1.5 hours to cook it, and it should be cooked in low flame so that it tastes better. If you put high flame, it won't taste better. So low flame is the best to cook chicken bamboo shoot, but I prefer medium rare flame. That's the way to cook chicken bamboo shoot. I have cooked it around 1.5 hour, and just boil. And for the color, you have to put Kashmiri mirs or a little bit of or red chili. Now the rest you put the ginger garlic paste in it, because it is about to get dry and it is about to get cooked, so it will change the taste. And just boil it again, boil. It requires 1 hour or 1.5 hour. So boil it. See, you can see the recipe is boiling, it's about to get dry. The thing with chicken bamboo shoot is that the more dry it is, the tastier it is. So try making it dry and firm and nice, not watery and all. Just try making it dry after boiling. It will be taste great. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my video.